Hello everyone, it's Bernadette again, Simply Be Art in Cape Town. I've done a painting on a 40 by 50 centimeter canvas, and I wanted to show you what happens when you're really not satisfied with the outcome and how you can save a painting with a modified bloom. So I laid down my pillow paint as I usually do, and I stretched out the paint on the canvas, and then I popped some of the air bubbles. I laid down 3 colors to start off with, and I wasn't happy with this after I had blown it out with my blow dryer. Now, my paintings always have to be visually pleasing to me before I walk away from it. So this was a case in point for me. I did not give up. I stuck it out. I took my chances and I worked with this canvas until I was visually satisfied. So I'm sharing my process with you so that you also know that you don't have to walk away. You can work with your canvas and you can save your painting. So my first intention with this canvas was to do a deconstructed bloom, but after I had spun it out, I wasn't happy with the outcome. So I decided to add another puddle of my pillow paint and redo the colors again. So this is the colors that I laid down on the canvas. I started off with a metallic copper, and then I topped that up with a Mystique. It's a color between a Payne's Grey and a Prussian Blue. I added Deco Arts Black Pearl and then an Amsterdam black paint. That was covered with some metallic gold and then finished off with a pearl white. I added my cell activator, first the black oxide and then the titanium white. Now I'm coming in with my blow dryer again and I'm spreading out that bloom from the center outwards, and then I'm going to give it a spin to stretch it out further. So as we see this process and as you watch this unfold, let me say thank you to everyone that has joined my channel this past week. I welcome you to my subscriber family, and I hope that you stay a while. While I spin that out, let me ask you, if this is the first time that you have joined my channel, please consider subscribing and join my pouring family. So I give the canvas a few more spins, a few more revolutions in different directions, and then I stop to stare at it a while. And I have to make decisions at this point. So I grab a craft stick and I decide to pull some of the petals to make it more defined, to give this bloom some definition. And I'm liking what I'm seeing happening now on the canvas. I continue to pull some lines through the bloom, and as I complete the lines, I clean off the craft stick. So I continue to define this bloom with those beautiful lines, creating some definition in those petals. And I am loving what I'm seeing on the canvas now. And I hope that you like this process too, and that you will also use it. So let me complete this, and then I'll bring you down for your close-up. So thank you everyone for watching. Thank you for being here. Thank you for spending time with me. I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.